Liked how he did clap for action. Sasta videos, guys. I've never had any doubt that we should. People might think we are a healthy food company or a protein snack company, but we've always known that we are making a truth company, that we want to bring 100% clean food options to every food category.
Bean to bar actually is one of the most natural processes of making chocolate. So we actually went to the farm, selected the kind of beans, the kind of fruit that we want beans out of. So we buy the beans from them, like in the most natural form possible. The fermentation process is all natural. We buy the beans, we sort the beans, we roast the beans, we roast them, we crack them, we get liquor, we add our dates to it, beloved dates to it, and then we grind it for like a few hours.
Yes, and
For a few more hours.
and
For a few more hours. Actually, we grind it like 4 times more than a regular chocolate is ground. The dates are very fibrous. We are using beans which are all natural without any essences or anything. And then we temper the chocolate. There's a very short window in which temperature is going to stay at 32. So we quickly mold the chocolate, we demold the chocolate, then we pack the chocolate, then we ship the chocolate, then we take money for the chocolate. And
and the money is not enough, so we take money from investors,
investors.
and still it's not enough. The insight that struck us was all indulgent food makers, from chips to chocolate, uh, always make things in a way, from packaging to design, that nudges you to eat more and more. And we thought that our take on chocolate should also be, can the piece of chocolate match the size of your craving?
Chocolate to me is like a quest. It's something that I am yet to decode. There's so many layers to chocolate that I want to know everything about it. I want to work in it. I want to swim in it. I want to take a bath in it. Sorry, not take a bath in it. I just want to be immersed in the world of chocolate, and it means literally the world to me. ईब सही है
Ib sahi hai bhai.
और बोलूं
Are we done? Yeah. That's all we had to say, right? Do you have anything else?
नहीं
Okay, we are done.
लग रही है
Bye.
बाय थैंक यू